And then the last question that we have is, what are the risks associated with cooperative insurance and life insurance companies for policyholders in the Philippines?
What
are the risks associated?
Ang risk kato, number one is ang nagdala sa co-op.
Kapag mention.
Oo. Though again, regulated man siya, no. Pero ang kana manggod kung di siya kay ba mo manage, no, sa mga say kalangan mga regulation to grow the business dili gyud, no. And sa pay rest niya kana mag-away.
Yes,
ang mga members, no.
May mga misunderstanding, no. Anong siya may
nakuha, no.
Yeah.
Na mismanage ang ilang business inana. Then in terms sa dire sa life insurance, ang advantage niya is less kid prone for, you know, any operational risk. Kay ang structure niya kay gihimo gid ani kay because this person is really competent with this position man. Kay bawo siya proven and tested na gid siya, no. Once ma-deploy siya diha ang position, na tendency mo grow ang business. No.
Yeah.
So kana, and then at the same time mas broader dako siya, no. In kaso kung siya metambuan ni na ay IC, Insurance Commission na sa reinsure.
Yes.
No, in kaso ma-down ang business ron sa nagya po yung masaw na daghan kayo.
Backup plans on top of backup plans.
Yes, correct.
Daghan kayo. And then one of the thing po is the life insurance doesn't depend on business performance man, right?
Correct.
Because as long as active lang imuhang policies, then if something happens to you, then provide na mga claims.
Oo.
Yeah, but what we're saying is, it's really better to have both.
Yes, correct.
So again, those co-op and life insurance, ibuhat na siya para to help us. Ang ato lang is to maximize ba, no? Saan mo paggamit, kana siya. It's really kana gitabang even mga government kanang kung saan lang ipang provide sa ato, that is for better of everybody.
For all, yes.
Atuan lang yun is how we use it, yun siya to pag-maximize.
Utilize. How na to pag-grow sa kwarta. Yes, correct.
Yes. So, anything to add up regarding co-op or you wanted to?
Yeah, just want to add up if you will be starting or if you will be joining a co-op nga So, make sure nga ayahang score is more than 80 pesos score. Okay. And then more than 10 years na. Meaning, stabilized na gini siya na company. Oo. So, kana mo na akong advice. And if you will go with a life insurance company, definitely make sure that's under IC and it's more than 100 years in the industry. Kay meaning it's well proven and tested through thick and thin, through pandemic and non-pandemic, no? So, na.
And also, with the life insurance, also check with their market cap.
Market capitalization.
Sa usa ka companies kay most of the claims atong ginakuhaon, right? So if dako ang market cap sa usa ka company, and then that's okay. But if gamay gani, maybe you need to consult to someone.
Yes,
okay, ba so diri, you need to reach out to a financial coach.
Ang market cap is ang size sa company. Unsa kadaghan na ang kwarta, cash reserve niya. Oo. So make sure to double check.
Yeah, that's one of the things inyo yung i-check. Start life insurance.
Talk to a financial coach. Okay. Sige, I think that's it with this episode. I hope namoy nakatunan between cooperative and life insurance. Again, amoy recommend to conclude this, mas mayo na amon duha.
Yeah.
Okay. Duhagid ko.
Right. So that's it for episode. Hopefully you've learned something. And then if you have other questions or suggestions, you can comment down below. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow our page for more updates, and then have a great day.
See you to the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye.